Everybody, thank you very much for purchasing one of our STMs or MFT vac pucks. I'm going to show you real quickly how they go together. It's a pretty simple process. Something to note, both the MFTs and the STMs come with hardware for mounting on T-tracks. So there'll be 4 knobs and 4 T-bolts that go with it. If you want to use your MFTs on a MFT table or a multifunction table, you'll need to purchase the expanding dogs separately. Now, that said, you're going to get a little bag of hardware like this, your 2 pucks, 2 pieces of EDM foam, and 2 pieces of 1/4-inch plastic hose for the push connectors. First thing you're going to want to do is install your push connectors on your pucks. Push connectors are these little guys, and pretty obviously they go right in the side. Just hand snug them down and give them a couple twists with a wrench. 9/16 is the size. And that's all you need to do. Now you will see there's a couple of other connectors in there. There's a T connector and then there's a valve. So on one of your sides, if you want to keep the valve is so you can shut one of them off and leave the other one on, or turn the valve on so they're both on, which is handy for different scenarios from different lengths of material. What you'll need to do is take one of these and cut it just a little bit off of it, or however much. You're going to plug the one side in, and then somewhere in here you're going to put your valve. So to cut them, we have this little tool we use. You want to be careful that when you cut it, you cut that as close to 90 as possible. That makes a difference for the fitting, because it's just a push fitting, and if you get that at a big angle, you'll get air leaks. So cutting that as close to 90 as possible is important. Let's just go ahead and assemble it. So I'm going to put one side in my valve, other side in my valve, and then I'm going to put that one connection here. Now I'm going to add my T, and then the other side, like this, can go to the other back plate. Now I could shut one of these off, so I can just use one at a time, or both really quickly by using the valve. The last thing you're going to want to do before you use these is install your foam seal. Now these are not cut to the exact length. We tried that and it led to issues. So just when you're installing it, don't stretch it out or try to pull it. Push it straight down into the groove. It'll lock right in there. It's cut to the perfect size to grab onto that and hold it there. Just make your way all the way around. What I like to do is find where it dies into the next one, and then add like a 1/16 of an inch of length using my knife. And I'm just going to come down and go ahead and cut it as square as possible. If it's not perfect, don't worry. The foam will kind of expand and fill that gap. Then I'll just push back a little bit, and boom, just like that. And just like that, you have a functional vacuum puck. It only takes a few minutes to put these together. I hope that you enjoy them. We've been finding a lot of uses for them around our shop, and we hope you do the same.